I never do unboxing videos, but this one I think is just worth an unboxing video. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think. I don't know. We'll see. Oh shit! Let's open this up. Hell yeah! Oh my god, it smells. It's all carbon fiber here, and this is suede. So I did 3 blue stripes. My wife, where she's from, I think everything happens in 3s. Well, I mean, it's more of a religious thing than anything, but it's pretty cool. Fucking love it. Feels huge. Feels a little bit big, but beep beep. Get the fuck out of my way. I'm in labor. See that? Blue stitching. There's kind of a hint of blue in the carbon fiber, which is kind of cool. I'm going to change out my steering wheel. First thing you gotta do is disconnect the negative from the battery. You don't want this airbag going off while you're trying to take it apart. It's very easy, it takes about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Nothing difficult at all. Don't forget to subscribe, leave some freaking comments, and I'll try and jump on board and do some more videos. So to take off that steering wheel, you're gonna need a 4mm Allen key. And there's 2 holes. One right there, and one back here hiding. Right there. You do is stick it in there, and this will pop open. Like so. I couldn't record me doing it because I only have 2 hands and this thing was being a pain in the ass. So anyways, so once you do that, this opens up like this. Oh, you do this clip like so. See it pulled. Then you push down on the black part and bam. This one's gonna be a little bit trickier. You have to pop these up with something, maybe. Yeah, that's not gonna work with my finger, so I gotta go get a tool. And we're back. Let's stick this in here. All right, there's one. Sorry about my big old freaking hands being in the way. Here's the other one. Just pop it up. Okay, it should just come out, I believe. I believe. Just pull on the other one too. All right, sorry about that. I dropped it. Fell down. No damage. It was done. I'll put that up there for now. Ooh, look at all this stuff. Look at all this stuff you can fuck up. I'm gonna take this out right here. And we're gonna take these out as well. This one down here. These 2. Yeah. Okay, reach in here. Right there where I'm pointing, right behind that. You gotta try and pull that off. You have to push down on this, see? See that going down? Just like that. And this is a 20mm socket, I believe, or 24mm actually. Just got this tool. Freaking awesome deal. I love it. Alright, so once after you got that bolt out, you just slowly take this out so you don't rip anything. Oh man, where's the rest of my steering wheel, man? There it is. Now here's the hard part. You gotta take all this stuff out, all this trim and these buttons. They all have to come out and then go in the new steering wheel. So to take off all this plastic stuff, buttons and all that shit, I don't think I need to record that. I think there's already plenty of videos out there where people are doing this, so I'm not gonna go through the trouble of adding that. I'm gonna do one at a time. This is a T20 torque screw. Alright, just to show you guys, this piece here, this piece goes right there, okay? Right frickin' there. Something like that, okay? You gotta undo the screws, and you use the plastic removal tool like this to get in there and pop it up. And then this right here is gonna be in your way, but you just kind of have to force it a little bit to pop up. Right here, it has a little deal again. You gotta squeeze so you can take it out of this. On this one's a little bit tough. This is the thing that goes right here for the cruise control and stuff. And what you have to do is you remove all the bolts here, here, and here. And then this thing here, down here, just open this up so you can get to it. And you're gonna stick this on the bottom, stick it on the bottom side of it, up, and pull out. Now I can't do this with one hand, so I'm gonna have to pause it. All right, it's out. And you're gonna do the same here. And it's starting to look really bare. And there's so many pieces to this, it's unbelievable. This whole plastic has to come out. You gotta take out the paddles, all this shit. It's a lot, so I'm gonna cut out. All right, so since I have the automatic and I have paddle shifters, you need to take out the screw here and the other one on this side, and that will let this pop out. Okay? And this thing too. Well, we still need to take this out as well. You gotta take these springs, or yeah, it's kind of like a spring deal. What you have to do is stick this right here, and then it goes up a little bit. Shit. Y'all couldn't see that. To take this piece out, you literally just pull slowly up on both sides. Very slowly, okay? And then you gotta move it over to the new one. What I'm gonna do is I'm sticking a 5mm Allen key down in there, push it in. I'm not gonna be able to do this with one hand. Oh shit. What I did with this, I tried using an Allen key to push it so that it stretches it, because this is rubber and it's one of those that it's got to stretch in order to fit through. So what I did, because I used this Allen key, I made a hole in one of them, this one right here. Not a big deal, it's still staying in place. So I said, all right, that's not gonna work, I need to do something else. So I squished it as much as I could. Then I came back with the other hand and I gently grabbed it and pulled it up, and that made it come through on all four. So that was easier than doing the Allen wrench. All right, remember when you're putting it back on to bring these out, these cables. I got further along and this cable was dug in on the back and I was like, where the hell is it? So I had to take everything off. Sucks. This one's running through the bottom, this right here, right here, right here, right here. Here. And you can start to put things back in. See that connection? It's right there. Just slide it in. I don't think I could do this with one hand, but I'm gonna try. Hey, I did it. One hand. Goes right there like that. This piece goes on the bottom, right here, and then this piece goes on top of that. It was kind of difficult to click in over here, but it's in. So, gotta put the screws and keep going. All right, something I noticed when I was putting this one in and this one in, this piece has to be sealed. I had to squash it on both sides, and when you squash it, you hear it pop, like it clicked into place. Same with this piece, it needs to click in, and it needs to be sealed like that. Same on that side right there. A little tiny seam. I'm gonna squash it to see if I can close it up some more, but once I put these screws in here, it's not really going anywhere. The majority of the parts are back on. There's the old steering wheel, new steering wheel. One thing I do want to mention, it's not a deal breaker, not for me at least, because I have big monkey fucking hands, but there's a huge difference in size between the two steering wheels. This one is a little wider, so if you have tiny hands, I don't know how this is gonna feel for you, but I like the feeling because I have big, ginormous monkey hands. All right, let's go put this bitch back in. Steering wheel is going back in. I already put the bolt here. Flip this bitch around and plug it in. And then these two pieces go to the airbag. I can't do this with one hand, so I'm gonna cut out. All right, this is color coded, so you can't really fuck it up. If you do fuck it up, then you're a fuck up. The other thing is, one thing I suggest when you're taking it apart, maybe take a picture of which screws are where, because I couldn't remember, so there's that. For the most part, everything's fitting, nothing's loose. There's no wiggle, no play at all. Again, I'm gonna cut out because I can't do this with one hand. Make sure these things are pushed all the way down, and you have to push the orange tabs all the way down as well. And then the other one that was here, make sure it's all the way in, and we're good. Now I believe this is just gonna pop and snap in. These are the springs right there that you're pushing when you stick in that Allen key. They're very small, and sometimes the Allen key is going to slip off. So you just gotta keep poking at it when you wanna take it off. And voila, it's done. I love how it feels. This is suede over here, and on this side it's suede as well, carbon fiber. I love it. It looks really badass, and I'm glad I made the purchase. All right, man, that's all I have. I know I'm not making a lot of videos. And I know you guys probably hear this a lot from other people and shit, because I look at YouTube videos too, and I notice kind of a trend of people saying, oh, I know I haven't made any videos in a while, and blah, 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 blah. Sorry, my health is shit, and I do what I can with the time that I have. That's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace. Later.